Welcome back everyone. I bought this yesterday from a couple of pictures on Facebook, collected it in the dark. Boy, it's rough. It's really rough. Pretty much the only thing that's going to be usable on this really is the frame and the fork. Pretty much nothing else is going to be any good. It's got an XDR front mech on it, that'll be getting sold. The rest of it, rubbish. Anyway, I don't really know what to do with it. I've got a few ideas, but I thought I'd throw it open to you guys for some suggestions. So it's designed for 26-inch wheels. These are 700C wheels. It's a year 2000 F600, we believe. It's got disc mounts front and back. It's also got V-brake mounts front and back. However, it looks like someone stripped the thread out on this rear one, so that may be a non-starter as well. I maybe add a helicoil if I can get this one out, but yeah, that's not great. Paint is super rough all over it. It's got really bad touch-up paint all over it. It's terrible. So I'm going to face my nemesis. I'm going to paint it. So I'm going to paint it yellow, which is the other colour this one came in this year, rather than this matte grey. So it's going to be yellow with white decals, frame and fork. So I'm going to paint it. So that's going to be one video in itself. So what else shall I do with it? Shall we do a bit of a gravel conversion? I have this carbon gravel bar kicking around for several months now with nothing to do with it, so that could be an option. Got some 11-speed Ultegra mechanical shifters for mechanical brakes, or an XT 11-speed rear derailleur. Link glide, might work, might not. I'd really like to go V-brakes, to be perfectly honest, because I don't like this conversion where they've just clipped it on randomly, but could be done on either. So I'm going to leave this one up to you. It's going to be a bit of a community project. If you want me to take it straight to the tip, that could also be an option, I'm not going to lie. So it's got these Hayes hydraulics. They do actually work, ish in a fashion. I'm not keeping those for sure. These grips have actually melted. They are disgusting, hence I've got my gloves on. It's got a random 1121 Dura Ace 9-speed cassette. I paid £100 for this bike, by the way, all in as it is, which is probably a little bit too much, but, you know, I got a bit carried away. Of this XDR front mech, I'm just going to take this off and sell it, no problem. Recuperate a little bit of the initial outlay for the bike. And what I also didn't notice is extra large. It's too big for me anyway, so even if I do make something of it, I'll be moving it on, so... yeah, so this Headshok fork does seem to work, so it locks out perfectly, it holds air as well, so that's a bonus. I'll do a service on this Headshok. I've never done one before, so that'll be a learning curve for me as well. A couple of special tools I think I need to get hold of first. So it's going to be, I think it's going to be sort of 3 or 4 videos really, as a bit of a series going into next year. It certainly won't be anytime soon, but it's a project on the list, but feedback from you guys as to what you would do with it if it was yours. If you tell me to take it straight to the tip, that's definitely an option, I'm not going to lie. It's pretty rough. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are, and at some point next year, I'll get cracking on it. Thanks for watching.